There are plenty of great reasons to move to the Netherlands. They have got best cheese, education and lifestyle. This country is home to the world famous masterpiece from history and modern innovation of architecture. Are you thinking to move to the Netherlands to reunite with your family and your partner? Hi, I am Tina. I live in the Netherlands with my husband and son. Most of the non-EU people move to the Netherlands either via a visa for work or visa for education. I have already explained about work visa or work permit in my earlier video. If you want to know more about work visa or work permit, then please go and check that video. In this video, I will talk about essentials of a Dutch residence permit for a spouse or a family. But before starting the video, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my video. Now let's get started. In starting of the video, I asked a question: are you thinking to move to the Netherlands to reunite with your family or your partner? If the answer is yes, then you need to think about how long you are going to stay there. If you are going to stay there for 90 days, then you don't need a residence permit card. But if you are planning to live longer, then you need a residence permit card. It's important to know that in most of the instances, there you need to have some necessary documents translated and legalized before you move to the Netherlands to reunite with your family. Those documents can be in English, German, Dutch or French. Let me first inform you who are eligible to apply for a Dutch residence permit for your partner and children. If you are an EU citizen, then you do not have to worry because you don't need any residence permit. If your family or partner is EU citizen and you are not, then you can apply for a certificate of lawful residence, and that will allow you to live and work in the Netherlands. Dutch national, EU national and a non-EU person with a valid residence permit can apply for a dependent visa for their non-EU partner as well as minor children. The next point to keep in mind that you need to sponsor your family while applying for dependent visa. Now you will be thinking that why you need to sponsor your family to move them to the Netherlands. Any non-EU person that comes to the Netherlands usually needs a sponsor, and that sponsor is responsible for all the financial support for the non-EU person. And the sponsor is the person who requests the non-EU person to live in the country. If you were hired from abroad to work, then your employer is your sponsor. And in this case, since you are making a request for your family to live in the country, then you have to sponsor your family. Your spouse or registered partner must prove he or she is able to support you financially for at least 1 year at the start of your application. Currently, there is a monthly minimum threshold of €1,646.57 for a couple. The Dutch government only considers the people who are member of your core family unit to receive the residence permit. This means they focus on spouses, married partners, unmarried partners, it means boyfriend or girlfriend, and children under the age of 18. Now let's talk about application process. The application cost is €192. You can apply for this permit online if you have a valid residence permit, and you must do this through your DGD. While applying for this permit for your spouse, you must include a set of documents that need to be translated and legalized. These are the necessary documents: copies of the spouse or partner's passport or ID card, copies of your spouse or partner's residence permit, proof of your spouse or partner income, for example, employment contract, copy of your marriage or partnership certificate or signed declaration of your unmarried status if you are not married or in a registered partnership, or your birth certificate if you're joining your parents, a sponsor declaration, for example, a letter confirming your relationship. The IND will process your application within 90 days. If the IND's decision is positive, then you need to submit your passport at embassy or the consulate where you submitted your application. Within 10 working days, your MVV will be placed and you can travel to Netherlands with the MVV in your passport. Now let's talk about the rights you will get with your spouse or dependent visa. First thing is validity. The residence permit is valid as long as your and your family members' condition is fulfilled. Are you Dutch? Then your family's residence permit card will be issued with a maximum of 5 years. And if you have the residence permit card which is valid for less than 5 years, then your family member will be issued with the residence permit card which expires on the same date as yours. The second most important right is work permit. If you are permitted to work in the Netherlands, then your family member will also get the same rights to work in the Netherlands independent visa. For example, if you have ICT work permit, then your family member will also get the same rights of ICT work permit in dependent visa. So this is all about dependent visa in the Netherlands. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. See you next time. Bye.